In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Microsoft Word. If you've ever found yourself struggling with grammar or wanting a bit of extra polish on your essays or work documents, this is definitely the tutorial for you. So let's jump right in and get Grammarly up and running in Word without delay. First things first, let's begin by opening Microsoft Office Copilot. This is a simple yet crucial step, as we'll be working specifically with the online version of Word today. Microsoft Office Copilot is a fantastic tool that allows you to access your documents from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. Once you're there, the next step is to find and open Microsoft Word. If you use Word frequently, this should be pretty straightforward. Simply navigate to the section where Word is located and click to open it. Alright, now that you've got Word open, it's time to create a document. You can either start fresh with a new document or open an existing one. But for today's demonstration, let's keep it simple and open a blank document. This will ensure we have a clean slate to test Grammarly once it's installed. After your blank document is ready, direct your attention to the Home menu. It's located across the top of the screen. Now, the Home menu is full of options that can sometimes feel a little overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll focus on exactly what we need today. Here's where the magic happens. You're going to want to locate and click on Add-ins. Add-ins are essentially additional features or applications you can incorporate into Word to enhance its functionality. Inside the Add-ins menu, we'll find a search bar. This is your next step. Type Grammarly into the search bar and hit Enter. This search will bring up the Grammarly add-in that we're aiming to install. Once you see Grammarly in the results, simply click on the Add button next to it. Just like that, you have expanded the capabilities of your Microsoft Word with Grammarly. Now, installing Grammarly doesn't just give you a spell checker. It's a comprehensive writing assistant that helps ensure your text is flowing well and free of grammatical errors. From improving your writing style to ensuring error-free content, Grammarly is an invaluable tool for students, writers, and professionals alike. And there you have it. In just a few quick and easy steps, you've added Grammarly to Microsoft Word Online. Now you can enjoy seamless writing with an integrated grammar and style-checking tool that will keep your work looking its best. Whether you're crafting an important email, writing an academic paper, or simply jotting down ideas, Grammarly will be there to enhance every word you type.